Well, bridge for 28 right, we got our parachute.
400.
Just 677 south runway 28 right, third lane.
300.
Third lane, 28 right.
And two single Victor, that's approved, thanks.
Very good. 62 Victor, thank you.
Jet 896, San Francisco there, runway 1 right, position and hold, traffic light at runway 28 left, runway 2 right.
United 143 is with you for 28 right.
100.
United 143, San Francisco there, traffic hold in position, runway 1 right, runway 2 right, for land, reaching levels of citation, mile and a half, funnel, 10403.
10.
28 right, cleared land, United 143.
San Francisco, United 468, visual 28 left.
United 468, San Francisco there, caution measurements from Boeing 757, heading to right, clear to Polo, runway, wind 0403, runway 2 left, clear to land, traffic holding in position, runway 1 right.
Good land on 28 left, United 468.
Alaska 312, turn left at Echo, kind of ground footing. Victor 677, roll out 2 and exit at Kilo, kind of ground footing.
Good roll up, kilo, good, 677.
Victor 677, if at all practical, can you accelerate through runway 1 right, traffic is waiting to depart.
Roger that, we're accelerating now.
Thanks, appreciate it. Victor 896, wind 0303, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff. 6718, 7 1 right, position on hold, please.
San Francisco Tower, Gulfstream 404 X-ray Tango is visual 28 right. San Francisco Tower, Gulfstream 404 X-ray Tango, visual 28 right.
Gulfstream 404 X-ray Tango, San Francisco Tower, caution with turbulence, Boeing 757, preceded you, 1 mile funnel, wind 0404, runway 2 right, go to land, traffic holding in position, runway 1 right.